It's you.
Hey!
Yes.
I see.
I see. No comment.
I see.
Tell me what I shall protect.
Go get him.
So, This is Minakamiyama. Though it has a unique shape from afar, it doesn't seem like a pyramid. This pamphlet says there is a low gravity zone and a gigantic Toward the end of World War II, they dug a tunnel and tried to build an Isn't this unsettling to tourists? It's detecting a layer. I wonder if Sarutani has some. It's going to take a while to search, so let's do some interviews while we wait.
Hey, you there! Do you know of any good sightseeing spots? Hey, I'm not a weirdo or anything. I just came up to you because I seen House Asakusa. I kind of want to go there.
You've seen us before? I've never seen him.
Sorry. You just look like someone I've seen before. Must be someone else. Yeah, probably. Oh well. See you around.
Huh? What was that all about?
Oh my! Okay.
Let me think.
Huh? What you staring at? An interview? Hell no. Not interested in talking to no... Damn those assholes. Leaving me behind.
Oh! It usually takes years or decades to find enclosed spaces, and I found them so soon after coming to the mortal world. What? Do you have something to say? An underground tunnel? Ruins? But it doesn't look like the inside of a pyramid. It looks like the inside of layers are holy ground. Please be cautious. Hopefully, we'll find an obelisk in here.
Hey there. You're the chosen one, correct? It seems to have taken you a while to get here from the entrance. Though you're the chosen one, you're still a human. I hope you did.
You two look human, but you're not. Are you fallen angels?
What's wrong with being a fallen angel? Because of you,
Mastema, stop. I'd expect nothing less from the angel who supports the chosen one. Yes, we are fallen angels and we have no intention, but perhaps from your point of view we have betrayed God. First of all, allow us to introduce my name is Samael. This...
I'm Lua. This is Hayato, the chosen one.
how dare you speak to my Samael like that?
I said, stop. I shall reveal this truth to you two. The other fallen angels are trying to kill you. We have heard that you defeated one of the demons who claim to be an evil deity. Obviously, they believe that you two are in their way.
How impertinent of those demons to proclaim themselves to...
Please, listen to what I have to say before you leave. We fallen angels formed a covenant with the evil deities in order to encounter you.
See, so fallen betrayed God, kissing up to demons. We're going to make you pay for your sins.
Can you please remain calm? Fallen angels are we came to the mortal world with a wish. Honestly, heaven has been quite a nuisance.
Hayato, hurry up and use the Gangor to seal them. They stand no chance against us.
See, Samael? There is absolutely no way our paths will ever converge. Angels are nothing more than hunting dogs, blindly loyal to their master.
Please be silent for a moment. Lua, I am a former angel, so I know about. As I recall, you were only able to capture demons with it. Perhaps I misspoke earlier. Fallen angels do not believe we have betrayed God. Some want to live among humans. Others want to become human. Fall from men. However, angels only possess an astral form. Humans cannot see or touch them. That is why we formed a covenant with demons, to gain a physical. We do not kill humans and take their souls. We have no intention, so please believe me, Hayato.
Get out of here already. I don't ever want...
I see. However, I do wish to speak to you two again. Let's go, Master.
Here comes a fallen angel. It's acting hostile. Hayato, see if you can... We haven't lost any stamina. We're at full HP. Just a little more. They're weak. It's just as Samael said. We can't capture, but we can't destroy them either. So we have to... So, the Gangor was created by a legendary angel alchemist named Balberith. But I heard that he fell from heaven and is still missing. That's why I didn't get a proper explanation about it before I came. But that also means that he's in the mortal... If we can find Balberith, he can modify the Gangor to capture Fallen Angel. Let's go! I have an idea about how to find... Do you remember the crest that was on the Gangor's case? Let's start by looking for someone who knows about that. We won't be able to fulfill God's mission like this. We have to collect information somewhere.
Are you an idiot? I don't know what that mark is, but it has something to do with the occult. That means it's your job to research it. And if you can turn it into an article, you're good to go, newbie.
You know all kinds of stuff, so why won't you tell us something?
La 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 la, I can't hear you. I wouldn't tell you even if I did know.
Can't you act your age? Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Stings my bones!
Get out there.
Crests are used all over the world. we still use, given that this crest features a crown, I'd say it's probably from the West, which means...
Whoa! Hold on. No offense, but we really don't need a lecture. We know that Balbereth designed the crest. We're trying to find him.
Then I shall give you the simple answer.
I doubt you know, since you just started to give us a lecture on crests.
The former cherub, Balbereth, was reborn as a human after he fell from heaven. He now runs a humble camera shop.
Wait, camera shop? You don't mean the old man from Pandemonium Camera, do you?
Oh, do you know him?
Well, I've met him. I always thought he was a little strange. I never would have guessed a fallen angel was running a shop in the mortal world.
He is human now. It's not odd for a human to run a shop.
How can you take the fact that he is a former angel so lightly?
To me, he's just an old friend. Anyway, it's a shame my knowledge of crests didn't help at all. If you're going to see him, please give him my regards. If you collect stamps, you can exchange them for items. See you!
Well, well.
You sure that's enough armor?
The ceremony went well. Goodbye.
Welcome.
Grandpa, we want to ask you something.
You're too noisy. If you're not here to buy something, get out. This is a humble camera shop. It's not a hangout or a counselor's office.
But you know Hayato, right? So stop being so rude and talk to me. Besides, I didn't come here to see the camera shop owner. I'm here to see Balbereth. That's you, isn't it?
Huh? Balbereth? What a strange foreign name. You're a weird little girl. If I was Balbereth, why would a fallen angel have a shop in the middle of Shinjuku?
Aha! I never said Balbereth is a fallen angel. So how did you know that?
Who was it? Who ratted me out?
The owner of Witch House. He sends his regards. I'm not here to take you away or anything. We just came to seek your wisdom. I have no intention of reporting you to heaven. That should be fine. For now.
It seems I can only trust the machines that I've created. You're right. I am Balbereth. I lost most of my memories when I came down to the mortal world. There isn't much I can do.
Hayato, give me the
I warned you to get rid of that. I can't believe Heaven is using the Gangor, despite the fact that I left. The mortal world must be getting pretty out of hand. But I couldn't care less.
As I said earlier, we need a favor. Can you make it capable of capturing the astrals of fallen angels? I heard that it's still incomplete, and random systems activate on their own. It must be possible to modify it to capture fallen angels, right?
Your intuition is pretty good. It is possible. Actually, it was originally able to. But I put a limiter on it. All I have to do is remove it. And that is definitely something only I can do. But this is a demon gun. Heaven couldn't even handle it properly. It was sealed because it became a problem. Are you sure I can remove the limiter?
We need you to.
Hayato, how would... You sure? Oh,
Do you know the evil deity? Hayato fainted when he captured him. Was that because of the Gangor?
you two captured an evil deity? You're lucky you only fainted after capturing such a powerful being. Yes, if you continue to use the Gangor, you could die from it. The probability is low, but it's like playing Russian roulette. If your soul resonates with the captured astral, the Gangor will absorb your soul. For a human, that will result in death.
Souls resonating? How likely is that? Wouldn't kill the chosen one, would it?
How the heck should I know? A human soul is unlikely to resonate with an astral, but it's not impossible. However, the more powerful the astral is, the more likely you can resonate, and that isn't something you can experiment with. That's all I know. Besides, I'm not the one who decided whether or not to use the gang here. There's an old hag named Kazaya who can be found on an underground road near Tocho. I lent her a gem called a Beal, which she needed in order to I'll need that gem to remove the limiter. She should help if you really are going to continue to use the Gangor.
Why would you lend someone something that's...
I didn't keep any of my belongings from when I was an angel. That's why no one in heaven has been able to track me down. I never figured someone would come down to the mortal world to look for me.
Aren't I great, Hayato? So we have to go to the Tochomae lair. Gotcha. Hey, are you really going to have him removed? I didn't know that you could die from using it. But whoever chose you knew that, right? Is it possible? Did Sis know? No, now's not the time for that. Are you still going to look for the... You're right. You are the chosen one. Yeah, I wouldn't hold it against you if you don't want to look for the Beal. I'll report the evil deities to heaven so they can handle them. It's my angelic duty. I don't don't need a human. I'll be fine without you, Hayato. I can do things on my own. But if you're still willing to fulfill the duties of the Chosen One with me, I will never let you die. I swear. To you and to the Gangor. Are you sure? Okay. Let's go. To full. All different elements. Where should we start? We haven't lost any stamina. These elements don't mix well.
Sure, that's enough armor.
Just a little more. They're weak. First gauge is at about 50%. Aim carefully. Haven't captured one of those
That's enough armor.
The burst gauge is at about 20%.
Enough armor.
traveled quite a ways. Who are you?
Where are we? We should be near Tocha.
The time and
told us to come see you.
Oh, that old geezer is still alive. I see. So that is why a new path opened up here. I can see why he has fallen. Leading a human to a place like this is quite vile.
Give us the Beal gem. He needs it to modify the Gangor.
Beal, huh? I'm sorry, but I cannot do that.
Huh? Why not?
Because I lost it.
What?
To be more precise, it has taken the place of this floor's trapezohedron.
Trapezohedron? What's...
This place is no ordinary lair. It is where the evil deity Nyarlathotep dwells. He loves shining trapezohedrons so much, he collects them. But he took the Beal by mistake. I hadn't used it in quite a while, so I've been too lazy to get it back. I don't mind if you take it with you when you find it, but beware of... Oh yes, let me tell you something important. I'm only going to say this once, so you better remember it. There are a few rules in this place that differ from ordinary lairs. First, astrals that become impure here cannot be purified. They become chaotic. Only I can fix astrals that have become chaotic. Second, you cannot use warp items. You can only return to your world from this spot. If you need help, tell me. We may be able to work out some sort of compensation.
piezo head-drawn? No way, I can't really tell since I've never seen what it looks like. Oh well, we'll find out when we bring it to Grandpa. We haven't been discovered yet, right? Let's hurry! We'll be fine if we can get back before we run into that evil deity. Most of the animals are water elements. The first gauge is at about 80%!
My. Well done. Looks like you were able to take it from Nyarl. It now belongs to you. You chose to fight, huh? That's not the easy road. You sure seem quite casual. Well, it's fine. You must value your own wit. This is a great place to train. Come. Come again.
Huh? Where are we? Hayato, we were near Tocho, right? We're still in Tokyo, right? Maybe not. I don't see any lights. Where are we? We brought it! This is it, right?
So, Hayato, you're going to keep using the Gangor, huh? I see. Give me a sec. Here you go.
That was really quick, but I'm not going to thank you.
Thank me? I don't need your gratitude, but after making me go to all this trouble, you better not die. Hey! Here. Take it. Hey. Hey.